Our other affirmation this morning was, I am prepared for an unlimited increase of good now. Can you think about that? I am prepared. Now, how do I get prepared? How do I get prepared for an unlimited increase of good now? Well, there's only one place you can. There's only one place you can, and that's in the thoughts of your mind, in your consciousness. Your consciousness is made up of all of the thoughts and feelings that you have ever thought, and your world is manifesting according to those thoughts that you have held in your mind. So the very first thing you need to do is begin to build a consciousness. Next week, we're going to talk about how to get rid of those things which you already have in there. But this week, we're going to get you started. Get you started on asking. You know, Jesus said, ask and ye shall receive. But we haven't been paying very much attention to that. We keep thinking that we do not deserve to prosper. But Jesus said, ask and ye shall receive. When we think of asking, and when we think of asking for our good, it begins to open channels for us. And we must ask in the sense of deserving. You do not want to ask like, oh, give this to me, please give this to me, in a begging sort of a sense of a way. Would the child of a king go to his father and says, oh, Father, please give this to me? The child of a king goes to the father and says, Father, this is what I need. This is what I deserve. I am your child. I deserve to express the good that you have provided for me. And when you speak in that consciousness, the Father responds.